So, good day everyone. I am Rodel Koyakot and today I will discuss about the Caxton and printing press. So, Caxton or William Caxton is the first person who introduced o siya ang nagpaila sa maong printing press. So, Caxton printing press helped to establish a new traditional to shape English literature and culture for centuries. The National Archives in the UK holds the first document printed by Caxton, demonstrating his early influence. So, one of the major factors in the development of modern English was the advent of the printing press, one of the world's great technological innovation introduced into England by William Caxton in 1476. Johann Gutenberg had originally invented a printing press in Germany around 1450. So, ang tinuod nga nag-invent or naghimo sa maong printing press ay mao si Johann Gutenberg. The first book printed in the English language was Caxton's own translation, the Recueil of the Histories of Troy, printed in Bruges in 1473 or early 1474. Up to 20 years books were printed in the following 150 years, ranging from mythic tales and popular stories to poems, phrase books, devotional pieces, and grammars. Among his bestseller were Chaucer's Canterbury Tales and Thomas Malory's Tales of King Arthur. As mass-produced books became cheaper and more commonly available, literacy mushroomed, and soon works in English became even more popular than books in Latin. So, ang most or best nga or halinon nga mga libro is ang libro nga Canterbury Tales o Tales of King Arthur. Mao ang libro ni Chaucer's o ni Thomas Malory. So, at the time of introduction of printing, there were 5 major dialect divisions with England, Northern, West Midland, East Midland, or a region which extended down to include London, and Southern and Kentish. Mao na ang 5 nga major dialect division nga gihimo sa mauna ang mga language nga gihimo sa usa ka libro. And even with these demarcations, there was a huge variety of different spellings. For example, the word church could be spelled in 30 different ways. So, people in 22, receive in 45, she in 60, and though in an almost unavailable 500 variation. The word ing participle, example running, was said as end in the north and in the East Midland and end in the West Midland. Example, runnend, runnend, runnend. The it and th verb endings used in the south of the country, example, goth, goth, appears as es, as e, and s in the northern and most of the North Midland area. So, that's all about my topic, Caxton and printing press. And again, I am Rodel Koyakot, and thank you for your listening.